Hi friends, I'm Vishnu. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are back with another book. The book name is The Tech. Author is Mark. So here is the cover. I have read the Kindle version. I'll be glad to have one of the paperbacks. Let's discuss the plot of the book. So as we can see a lady in this cover. Our protagonist is one of the female character. Her name is Alexandra. She is a workaholic. She works with FBI and she was recently transferred to one of the location, and being a workaholic, even during her traveling, she was getting ready for her next assignment to the new city. Instead of taking a day off and to settle out the things, the moment she reaches to the city, she came to know about the case, and even when she reached the office, she came to know her team members went to solve a bank robbery case. She directly went there. So that is the first impression of our core character for you and for even reader. While going through the file of underlings working for Alexandra, she came to know that, or I would say she presumed that her teammates or the people assigned to her were not the best. But when they worked, she got a surprising result. And while you read, you will find there are 7 to 8 different crime scenes that were discussed in this book, and Alexandra and her team were kind of lucky because they were able to solve most of the case in 2-3 days of span, and that even surprised FBI central team. Even Alexandra herself was little bit of doubtful because for each case there were some links which joined their team to the success, but those links were not found by her teammates. Those were always anonymous tips or some incidents or alarm firing without any incidents. So those things made Alexandra think that something was fishy. There was a person named Mike in her office. He was an IT support guy, but his actions were always surprising for Alexandra and her teammates because he was always a step ahead of them. He was always keeping of them something directly or indirectly, which were helping her team to solve this case. All the 7 to 8 cases discussed in this book, so one way or another they were found linked to a certain entity, and Alexandra and her team has another challenge to stop this crime as well as to link them to a gang who is doing it, and that will be a challenging task because people at higher ups, not in FBI or even not just in FBI but other political parties might be linked. So she was having a dangerous proposition here, but she wanted to solve it anyhow. Now, so that is the plot for us. I would say reader may find book lengthy because there are 450 pages in the book, but if we are talking about 7 to 8 different cases and linking them to a one entity, then you may find that 450 pages are good enough. So even for me, 450 pages, but that entertainment and I would say the thrill that it generated, the suspense that it generated was so good that I kept on turning page till I reached the climax. So the same thrill, same suspense or same entertainment can be provided to all the readers who like this genres of book. Let's come to adaptation part and its discussion. So why we feel this book should be adapted? The book has today's generation level of crime solving and the sci-fi attribute attached to it. So because we see today people are using Alexa, people are using Siri, people are using Google Help. So those kind of technologies are discussed in this book, but there is an advanced level that the robot that I would say the AI guide shown in this book will take you a thrill ride, and that can provide a good entertainment to people who are watching it. Also, the story is around the action and case solving, and there is a big fan following for this kind of series or this kind of movies. I guess most of you have already guessed that I'm going to pitch this book as a web series adaptation because that content is vast. So each of the crimes that discussed in this book, that individual crime can take 1 or 2 episodes of an hour each. So together that will give you a 18 to 20 hours of visual content. The casting that we usually discuss in our video, so I will give a pass for this book because most of them are shown as a USA citizen and none of them belongs to Indian origin. And frankly speaking, while reading the book, I didn't have any celebrity or actress in my mind who can do a particular role. So I'm not suggesting any character now. Having said that, I don't mean mean to say that book should not be converted. I'm strongly recommend it for a web series adaptation, which can give a good fan following and good watch time to a young generation. Thank you. If you have liked our video, I request you to like it and share it. And if you like to watch more of such video, please subscribe our channel. Few good rates.